justice, but I'm thankful he's not going to suffer for it. I wonder if he and his people are bound the same way we are?" I feared that this was likely to be the case, as we were going the conventional round, sticking, as one might say, to suburban desert, on our way to the Fayoum. But as Monny observed the other night, we couldn't engage the desert like a private sitting room. I would, however, have preferred sharing it with most people rather than Bedr and his clients, though the two latter looked singularly harmless, almost Germanic. We went on more or less happily, though I noticed that whenever a camel changed its walk for a trot, each one of the ladies reached back a desperate hand to clutch the saddle and save her spine from the bruising bump bump which smote the bone with every step. As for me, that feeling of middle age began to creep on while my coastguard camel and I were getting acquainted. I tried to distract my thoughts from the end of my spine, by concentrating them in admiration upon the scene. There was the Sphinx, welcoming us with an immense smile of benevolence, as suitable to the sunshine as had been her mysterious solemnity to the moonlight. There, far away to the left, the spire-crowned citadel floated in translucent azure. Its domes and minarets, and the long serrated line of the Mokattam hills were carved against the sky in the yellow rose of pink topaz. Shafts of light gave to jagged shapes and terraces of rock on the low mountains an appearance of temples and palaces, very noble and splendid, as must have been the first glimpse of ancient Egypt to desert-worn fugitives from famine in Palestine. Between us and the Nile, hiding the sparkling water as we rode, went a dark line of palms, purple, with glints of peacock feather green in the distance. Hundreds of tiny birds flew up into the burning blue like a black spray, and the sand was patterned by their feet, in designs intricate as lace. Wherever lay a patch of white and yellow flowers, or of rough grass no bigger than a prayer rug, a lark soared from its nest singing its jewel song, and here and there a gentle hoopoe reared the crown which rewarded it for guiding lost King Solomon and his starving army to safety. Chapter 14